So we're back. So this is you know, where I'm gonna go over each of these things. You know, first let's start with the, you know, the brains of it all. You know, the piece that holds everything together, and then that's the motherboard right there. So let's open that up and see what's inside here. Let's see what we get. I haven't touched this yet. I was actually very tempted, but I didn't. So let's see. Pull this guy out. I really don't know how people do this. Oh, there she is. Look at that. So that's what I call a motherboard. That's a little shot at the back of it. The Z87x-ud7-TH. Let me just say this. I'm not a very patient person, and I was willing to pay more money to have it sooner. So last time I built a computer, I was able to run down, I think it was Comp USA, and just buy the parts I needed. Well, nowadays, first of all, Comp USA is not even there anymore. It's Tiger Direct, but they don't carry nearly as much of the selection that they used to carry. And basically, they did not have any of the Z87X by Gigabyte. Any. They had like one or two choices, and it was not very, not what I needed. So I had no choice but wait. But that was very hard to do because, like I said, I'm not a very patient person. But all right, so there it is. Nice box, sturdy, and nice plastic protector there on top. So let's open this up. That's the plastic protector. Just toss that aside for now. Alright. And she's a beauty. Heavy, very heavy. Actually, way heavier than I expected in the motherboard, but this is a bad shot. Everything there, everything black. So seems really sexy for a motherboard, right? That is. So I'm gonna put this aside for now and see what else comes in the box here. I believe this is the four-way slide plug. So I'm not gonna be needing that yet. I'm gonna put it aside over here. The voltage probes, don't really need that right now. Two-way slide, don't need it. USB, might need this. Comes in the manual and a badge, Gigabyte badge. So let's see what else is in here. Put that in there. Crossfire, so your Radeon fans out there. I'm an NVIDIA guy myself, but I am not here to judge. Everybody with their own, right? So this is the Bluetooth Wi-Fi, and I went through that one. Saw the cables. Okay, Gigabyte three-way slide, so there's a lot of slide choices in here. Plenty of them. Two-way, three-way, four-way. There you go. This is the back plate. It's actually a nice black, and seems really detailed as opposed to just a shiny metal. Some other manufacturers more SATA cables. And more SATA cables in the angle. We went to the four-way slide switch there, and the probes. Okay, we went through this. These are went through file, and this is a USB 3.0 bay to put in front of the case. And by the way, in case you guys noticed from my previous video that I don't have the case yet. It's coming, but that's not going to stop me from building this until the case and the radiator comes. And this is the antenna. Yeah, the Wi-Fi antenna with the plugs. So Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, I guess, but the antenna is probably just Wi-Fi. And that's that. That's everything that comes in the box for you guys. It comes with the desk here too, I believe. A few manuals, but there you go, some drivers and whatnot, instructions. Not that we need them, right? But you know, they're here in case you need a utility driver's desk and the series utility. So probably need that one. Okay, so that's for the motherboard. Now I'm gonna pause the video here for a sec, and we will continue. And I'm gonna take this baby out of the cradle here, just so we can see it up close. And very, very heavy. So bear with me here for a second. I was gonna pause the video, but I figure it's better just do it this way. All right. So I'm gonna move this out of the frame now, and I'm actually setting my source of light, so I'm gonna move around a bit so you guys can, you know, we have the window right there, so that way we get to see this baby better here. So you know, it has lots of ports, as you can see here. So we have the audio ports right there. We have 2 Thunderbolts, and they come, you know, nice little cap, which we don't need them now. We have HDMI and the display port. 2 LAN, you know, in case you're wire aficionado, you know, if you like your wired connections, you have 2 of them there. You know, I don't know anybody that's still using that type of mouse and keyboard, but they're there in case you need it. What I like about this is you can put your water coolant right there, you know, that's your water stuff there through here to help cool this baby. And it's a very sleek design, actually. I really like, you know, the CPU is right there with the protector. Plastic piece there protecting the socket, and you know, so this is the Z87. It's the LGA 1150 socket. That's socket 1150. We have our memory slots right here, and we're gonna be filling this up. Now, another reason why I like this board as opposed to some of the others is this will give me the ultimate control. You know, you have your power button right there, so you don't even need a case to, you know, test it out. You have your turbo. You can adjust, you know, all your clock speeds and stuff like that. So, depth switches, you know, in case you need to troubleshoot, you know, SLI and you want to disable 1 or 2 or all of them, you can do so over here. Our setup ports in there, and you know, the battery, everything's in there. So you know, everything that you normally expect in the motherboard. There's a lot of inputs for system fans. So I ordered the 500R carbide, something like that, Corsair case, and you know, it has lots of fans and you know, option to add a couple more. And the reason why I went that particular case, we're gonna go over the video, but it's so you'll accommodate the you know, the was H100i radiator for the CPU. Right there, so that's the reason for that. Well, we'll go over that in another video. So you know, it has dual BIOS, and that's where you can switch them over there. So You can always get back to a working state, if something doesn't work for you or you want to troubleshoot something, you can just switch that. A lot of inputs over here for the PCIe. PCI input there. So that's that. So not much more, to say about this, except it is very heavy. That's where your inputs are over there, for no inputs, but your power plugs. So it's very solid build, that's for sure. I don't feel like the skin tone quality. It's all nice, painted black, so which is nice. I like the bug code display over there too, which should make life easier to find out, what's wrong and stuff like that. There's a reset button and a clear CMOS right there. So, and that's the Z87X-ud7-TH. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see the rest of the components, subscribe over there down below. I'll probably post links to this, to this in case you guys want it. As well as the site where I got it from. It's really good site as well for recommendations and stuff like that. Alright, take it easy guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.